This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Battery renewal. Pull the bonnet release handle in the driver's footwell, push the safety catch to one side, then fully open the bonnet and support it with the bonnet prop. The battery is located on the front ride side of the engine bay when viewed from the driver's seat. First, remove the battery cover by releasing its clips. Slacken the nut, then, using a twisting motion, pull the clamp from the battery negative terminal. Lift the plastic cap, slacken the nut, then, using a twisting motion, pull the clamp from the battery positive terminal. Slacken the nuts, remove the battery securing clamp, and lift out the battery with the straps if fitted. Take care, the battery is heavy. Lower the battery into place with the terminals at the rear. Refit the clamp and rods, then securely tighten the clamp nuts. Where applicable, remove the plastic cap, press the positive lead clamp firmly on the battery positive terminal, then securely tighten the retaining nut. Reconnect the battery negative lead in the same manner. To help prevent corrosion, apply a little petroleum jelly to the battery terminals and clamps. Refit the battery cover. For vehicles with dynamic stability control, DSC, if the negative battery lead is disconnected, the stored initial position of the steering angle sensor will be cleared, and the DSC will not operate properly, making the vehicle unsafe to drive. Perform the steering angle sensor initialization procedure as follows, after connecting the negative battery cable.